Ever wonder how Siri knows what you want or how Netflix always recommends you the perfect show or movie after watching something out of nowhere? Or how the Google search recommends you the best option after only a few words? Well, behind the scenes, that's the power of AI agents. They were going to learn the secrets behind the technology that's not just smart, it's learning, adapting, and acting on its own. Well, it became a popular topic right now amongst tech creators. What are AI agents, how to build them, and understanding it overall. So, today's video, we're going to understand and learn AI agents. But before that, we're going to discuss what is an AI in the first place. AI, or short term for artificial intelligence, is when a machine starts thinking like a human. But unlike a human that has a biology, AI acts according with its algorithm. We're talking about learning from experience, solving problems, even making decisions from already trained datasets. You've seen in action self-driving cars from Tesla, facial recognition, or those quickly accurate YouTube suggestions. But how does AI works? Here's the simple version. AI collects data from cameras, microphones, sensors, you name it. They collect it and store it in a data set or database. Then it uses algorithm to recognize the patterns amongst those collected data. And based on those patterns, it predicts or makes a decision. Like example, if particular AI collects data, that's a 50% chance of predicting or making the decision one way or another. Think of it like teaching a robot how to spot a cat. Once it is learned, it never forgets. What are the example of AI? Well, like I mentioned, chatbots like ChatGPT or Gemini or Claude, self-driving cars like Tesla or Xiaomi, facial recognition like Apple or Face ID or Google Space ID, recommendation systems such as Google Search or Netflix. Now, what is an AI agent? This is where things get cooler. An AI agent is like a smart assistant with a mission. It senses the world around it and it takes action, all without you telling it what to do, whether it's a chatbot answering questions or a drone navigating a disaster zone. It's thinking and doing. But why does AI agent matter? AI agent brings brains to machine. They don't just follow script, they adopt, plan, and respond in real time. Well, unlike a chatbot like ChatGPT, an AI agent acts behind those certain particular instructions or datasets that it's being trained on. That's why Netflix gets your taste, why Siri gets your mood, and why industries are learning into AI. From banking to hospital, is automation with intelligence. Like, for example, some campuses or some schools are already integrating AI agents to teach their students without even having a physical teacher or human teacher in a class, but instead an AI agent that is capable of teaching younger students. Just imagine that. But what are the real world uses or cases? Well, for healthcare, spotting early signs in medical scans. Like, for example, doctors are already developing a software, an AI software capable of detecting cancer by using pre-trained image or training the AI with images of scans or cancer scans, whereas it detects breast cancer before even being formed. In finance, catching fraud in just a few seconds by detecting the transaction itself. Smart homes are also integrating like adjusting the lights in accordance to your mood or temperature automatically. And like I said, for the teachers, there's also a customer service, like an answering question 24/7. No waiting, no attitude, just a chatbot that resolves a customer's particular problem. The future even smarter, more independent AI agents. They'll team up with robotics powerful enough to power up cities and learn from every move. But with great power comes great responsibility. Well, now the question is the ethics, transparency, and trust. One thing's for sure that the future isn't just human, it's human plus AI. Anyways, AI agents aren't science fiction, it's already a thing right now. They're already here, quietly running the world behind the scenes. Now that you know how they work, the question is, how will you use AI in this world? Will you use it or stay behind? Let me know down in the comments. Anyways, again, this is Cybertech with Anthony, and feel free to follow.